let's get right to it. Today's Chile Rellenos. For the sauce, we need an onion, fresh garlic, and diced tomatoes. I recommend jack cheese. And of course, poblano peppers.
My favorite part is burning the chilies.
Let's put these in a plastic bag to steam. Let's start the sauce. First an onion. Cut the tips off the garlic.
Now that we have all the ingredients, let's add it to the blender.
Also, our secret ingredient, a spoonful of sugar. Let's let her rip.
It's time to simmer the sauce. So what we need to do is add olive oil, and our sauce.
Yeah, baby. Let's let this simmer while we start our chilies.
We burn the chilies and then steam them in the bag. Now we want to peel the skins off.
Cut a little slit. Put our jack cheese in. A toothpick to keep it closed. We only want the egg whites, so let's separate the yolks.
We need to whip the egg whites to get them frothy.
First the flour, then the egg white, and then you fry them. Whoa, this is making me hungry.
Voila! Joaquin's Chile Rellenos. Don't forget to take out the toothpick.
Click the like button, subscribe.
Muy bueno.